Hello, it's Karen from Teach Beside Me, and today I just wanted to show you guys what my schoolroom looks like. I posted a picture on Instagram this week, and everyone, there was such a big response that I thought it'd be fun to just do a quick little video of it so you can see what it looks like in person. But this is a big, huge room that we have. It's above our garage. On this side we have some built-in bookshelves, and this is where I keep all of our picture books and board books, which is why they're such a mess all the time. I hope you can relate to that. I got this awesome new rug just on Amazon. I'll do a post about this and I'll share a link to it, so if you want to find this rug, but I'm loving it. It's really thick and nice. And then over here we're also hamster sitting. A friend of ours, a neighbor of ours, has two animals that we're watching this summer. But here are their desks, and these are, you can see it's two long tables. So here's the divider point, and with the two tables I got 4 of these drawer units and then 4 chairs. And so each of my kids has their own drawer unit, and they share 2 kids per table. And then coming around the corner, these are my desk areas. So there's my computer, my workstation, and just kind of my storage area for all my work supplies and everything, and paper and all of that. And then over here are the rest of our books. This is our book library for our curriculum, our different subjects. So this whole collection I purchased. There is a monthly thing from, it's called Libraries of Hope, and they're such an amazing series of books, classic books that have been recompiled by topic, and you'll see I have little sticker dots on them because I organized them. This is my little organization system by category for those books, and I did that for my whole library last summer. And I actually just reorganized the books, not according to those categories, so it may look a little weird right now, but it works in my brain. But here are, that's this library, and then I've got science, and up here are history and historical fiction and literature, and down here is geography on the bottom shelf, and then this is the rest of my kids' literature and stuff, and then just another storage shelf up here. So this is our room. We have a nice big cozy couch in the center so we can read, and on the far wall toys, and a nice fireplace for the winter to keep us cozy. So that's our schoolroom, and I hope that helps you as you're organizing your spaces. I'll show you back in this little corner here is where we keep all of our, this corner's a mess. Sorry, I'm sort of embarrassed to show this, but craft supplies, manipulatives, math manipulatives, and different things like that. These bins my kids get in and out of all the time, so they're pretty much always a disaster. I have to reorganize them about once a month. But there I've got markers and glue and colored pencils and crayons and stickers, all that kind of stuff right in there. So it's a nice little cubby back here. Oh, and my maps. I can just kind of tuck it and hide it back there and keep some of the mess hidden. But here it is, and we love our big room, and I feel lucky to have such a nice big space to work in. Enjoy, have a great day.